Hi everyone, Stephen from Catamaran Guru. Got some real interesting breaking news for you. Catana Group have just launched their Bali 5.2, which is their latest addition to their range. Got some really interesting features. So if you're in the market for a 50-ish foot class boat, stop and wait, because I think this boat's going to be really attractive and you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. It's going to be priced with an introductory price, which is very competitive and probably lower than any of the other boats in the 50-foot class. So, price-wise, very attractive as well. Just a few highlights for you. The boat is 48 volt, which is very efficient. It has a very large battery bank, and it's able to run its air conditioners for up to 11 hours without any battery alarms. It has the Muxin system in it, which is the latest technology on the Vendée Globe boats. So extremely reliable system controls now. The boat also has 4,100 watt of solar power, so you'll be able to charge the batteries up really, really quickly. 3 choices of engines now. It's 57 horsepower, 80 horsepower, and 115 horsepower. So generally the interior of the boat is a trickle down from the 5.8, which is the flagship. So it's got extremely good interiors, beautiful interiors. You haven't seen interiors like this on any of the smaller Balis at all. So next level in every way. If you're interested, give me a call, 804-815-5054, or email me at stephen@catamaranguru.com, STEPHEN, and I'll be happy to share information with you as it comes in. Don't miss this opportunity. Give me a call.